Hi y'all, I'm Mona and this is About Face with Mona. And today we are going to do a review on a couple of products that are new to me. One of them, by Beauty Bakerie. The proof is in the pudding. Beauty Bakerie is an indie brand, and I've been kind of getting into some of the indie brands, right? It is created by a lady named Cashmere Nicole. That's her business name. Cashmere Nicole is a single mom who had breast cancer, had to have a bilateral mastectomy, and still decided to become an entrepreneur. Beyonce put her on her website. She got her business off the ground, and she's created this whole line of products centered around the bakery. She's got like such a cute little saying. She says, "Are you all talk, or do you get things done? This palette with mattes, shimmers, and more is for the sweethearts who need that final push to finally be who they believe they can be and do the very thing they were afraid of. If I had taken any step differently than I did, there would be no Beauty Bakerie. But I challenged myself to own my past and my setbacks just as much as I own my future. The proof is in the pudding. You got to be willing to create what you want to see in this world. You and you alone have the power to do that." So how inspirational. So if you haven't checked out Beauty Bakerie's products, you definitely should do that. The other thing that I am featuring in today's video is some PR that I was nice enough to get from the company Esqido. So they're known for their lashes. They have also just put out gel eyeliners. I was asked if I wanted to try and to choose which color I preferred. I chose the brown, but they were nice enough to send me both the brown and the black gel eyeliners. And I have to tell you that I have been playing with these for a little while before I did the review, and I absolutely love them. These rival my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencils, and for the price point, I think that these are going to become my new faves. So these eyeliners are $16 a piece, and right now if you go to Esquido.com, you can get 10% off, and you're going to get a high quality eyeliner, as you can see. They also sell lash sets and lash glue, and that might be something that you want to check out also. The only thing that's limiting this right now is that they only have brown and black. But I'm sure that once people get a hold of these and try these, that they will be hopefully coming out with some more colors. But I absolutely love them. That's what I have on my eyes now. And we'll see those in the demonstration in a minute. So let's get into the look. This is the packaging. There's no mirror. It's a 9-pan palette. It's got 5 mattes or shimmers. Let's do some swatches. This is rice pudding. This is butterscotch. This is nana pudding. This is chia pudding. Is spiced caramel. This is warm cocoa. This is the darkest matte in the palette. Is the darkest shimmer in the palette. That's almond jelly. This is mango pudding. And this is bread pudding. So if you look at this color scheme, there's really not a lot of differentiation between the colors. So I love what this brand is all about. However, very monochromatic look, I think, which can give you a pretty ombre look. You notice that it also does not have a mirror. This is a $38 palette, 9 eyeshadows. Now the pans are big, so I do think you get, a lot of products for your money. Packaging doesn't look like $38 makeup with no mirror. Let's see what kind of look we can get today. I am going to put on Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. Let that set down. I'm going to get a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the color Nana Pudding, this one. I'm going to go almost all the way up to the eyebrow. So it blends really easy. I'm going to go in and darken that up a little bit with the color Mango Pudding. Just kind of an orangey color. It blends really easy. I'm going to go in the outer V with this warm cocoa. Okay, now I'm going to take that same color and go in on the other eye. I'm going to build that up a little bit so that both eyes match. Okay, I'm going to go right inside this V with the shimmer shade Almond Jelly. I'm going to take the fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with the color Rice Pudding. And I'm just going to blend outer edges. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my finger. And I'm going to pick up this color Spiced Caramel. I'm going to tap that. All right, I'm going to take a liner brush. I'm going to go under my eye with this Almond Jelly on my lash line. Now I'm going to go into the inner corner with this color Butterscotch. I'm going to wet it just a little bit. What I'm going to say about the eyeshadow is that I think the colors are really good. I think that the pigmentation is good. It's buildable. You can have a neutral look. You can have a more glamorous look. I know from trying this palette already, playing with it a little bit, that the colors stay on. I think $38 for the product is a little bit high. I think because of the packaging, the fact that it doesn't have a mirror. But the quality of the products are good. There's not a lot of fallout. It blends very well. So I think overall, it definitely is a nice product. I would probably give it 3 lipsticks on the Mona rating scale. So 1 lipstick for wearability, definitely a wearable palette. 1 lipstick for quality. I think the quality of the pigments product is good. Would I recommend it to others? Probably so, as far as the look goes. You know, would I wear it again? Absolutely, yes. I'll use this look again. I don't think it gets a lipstick for the packaging, and I don't think it gets a lipstick for the price point. However, some people may disagree and find this whole bakery theme very cute. So I think that would probably be a personal preference. I got some PR, as I mentioned in my intro, from Esquido. They asked me if I wanted a brown or a black liner to try. I picked a brown. They were nice enough to send me the brown and the black. These are gel liners. These are new products to the Esquido line. Esquido is known for their lashes, and their lashes for the stars, red carpet lashes. And before I do a review, unless it's a first impression, I really like to play with the product for a little while first, so that I can give you my honest opinion and really know how it wears and be a little familiar with the product. So I can tell you already that I really enjoy this product. This is very similar in quality to my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On liner that is usually my go-to liner. I'm enjoying this one a whole lot. So I'm going to use the brown, but I'm going to show you, they just go on like a gel. They glide on, there's no skipping. They're easy to apply. We'll look at the black. The packaging is nice. Sleek look. Looks like a quality product. Turns up from the bottom, so it's not a pencil that you need to sharpen. See the difference between the black and the brown. On my wear test, it lasted about 6 hours in my waterline. Without lightening at all. It lasted about 11 hours on my eyes with no smudging and no wearing off. It applies like a dream. It's very easy to apply. No tugging, no pulling. Top that off with some mascara. I go in with my Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. For lips, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury in the color Super Size Me. And we're going to go in on the lips with Dose of Colors. If you haven't tried these lipsticks by Dose of Colors, these are really nice. I really enjoy this. Is a liquid matte. It dries down to a matte. It has long-lasting staying power. I think this color, Nude Mood, is definitely my favorite. Look how pretty that is. I think this would be good for any skin tone. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy to top it. So that's the final look. What do you guys think? Thank you all for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.